Rita and welcome back to the Knit Guru. This is just a quick video of paid patterns that I've recently acquired and what I'm planning on doing with them, because I don't see too many people looking at interesting and different patterns. So the first thing is Pacific Knit Co. Now these are doodle patterns, which are kind of like little motifs that knit up for some cool color work. Now I've picked up this one, which is autumn, and this one, which is farm, and I figure that I can make my partner and my father-in-law socks because they're both farm boys. The next thing I've picked up is from a Domestica course on colour work, which I figure I need to work on my colour work after you see my vest. This is one of the patterns that comes with the course, and this is a pair of socks with a flower motif, and I figure knit that for the mother-in-law. Then I have a full set. Next thing I picked up, Passionate Kelsey reached 600,000 subscribers. Congratulations, she's awesome, love her. I picked up this pattern because she was having a sale to celebrate 600,000. This is the River Dahlia top. I've made the lily top and I really like it. This one I had to get because she released it on my birthday, which is also her birthday, so you know, felt serendipitous. Then I've picked up this one from Irene Lynn. Now she's a Taiwanese designer, and I picked it up because look at how cool that is. I'm trying to get into Japanese style knitting or Oriental style knitting, whatever you want to call Asian style knitting. I've seen it as all of them, and this vest just looked really cool, so I picked this one up, the Aura vest, in some amigurumi. Everyone's doing the emotional support chicken, so I've done the emotional support chicken, and hopefully I'll get this made for amigurumi. It's got an interesting construction, which is stumping my head somewhat because I keep thinking I can memorize it. I can't memorize it. And then the last thing I've got is this pattern here for a crochet emperor penguin. My other brother-in-law and his partner have both been to Antarctica. They bought an emperor penguin from Antarctica back to New Zealand, but they gave it away to my niece, so they've asked for an emperor penguin, and this is the most realistic emperor penguin pattern I found, so I picked this up hoping to make them an emperor penguin in the next few weeks. Anyway, we'll see how we go. Those are some just cool patterns that I've picked up in the last week, and I'll see if I can turn them into something over the rest of the year. Okay, I'll catch you next week. Bye.